Hello everyone! Today I will show you a solution to a popular Go problem that is often asked during interviews. This task is called Password Generator. The task requirements state that we need to implement a password generator function that takes an integer and returns a string of integer length, made up of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and digits. We have a main function where we call the new password function with the argument 12, and we need to implement the logic of this function. Let's get started. Based on the task requirements, we see that our function should take a number as input and return a string. Let's specify this right away. We also see that the password can include both digits and alphabet letters. This means we need to create a charse variable where we'll store all the allowed characters. Of course, we'll also need a result slice where we'll store our generated password. Let's create it. To take characters from the charset variable and save them to the result, we'll need a regular for loop. Let's write it, and as a constraint, we'll specify that the number of iterations shouldn't exceed the number n from the function arguments. Inside the loop, we need to add random characters from the charset variable to our slice. We'll do this using the append method, where we specify our slice as the first argument, and the character we want to add as the second argument. For this, we'll use the built-in randint n method and pass the length of our charset string as an argument. When the loop finishes, our function will return a slice of random characters. But according to the requirements, we should return a string, so we'll simply convert our slice to a string using the string method. The error is gone, and now let's test the functionality of our function. Great! We can see that we've successfully generated a password and fulfilled all the requirements of this task. Now you know how to solve this problem and can easily handle it during interviews. I'd appreciate if you support the channel with a subscription and a like. There are many more interesting problems and topics ahead that I'd like to discuss with you.